Okay, today the Kershaw Kuro Tanto, yeah, Kuro. I'm liking this one already. Got this one for free. It's $50. A very small pocket clip on this one though. There's the steel. This knife is very dirty, I'm now realizing. But $50 is how much it goes for. The least I found it for is $17. So it's a very large gem. Kind of like rose petals on the scales. I like that. Lanyard holder. Cannot put the pocket clip on the other side up here, but I'm pretty sure you can put it down here and on the other side too. So it's kind of reversible, but has 3 different areas you can put the pocket clip. It is crusty in there. Anyway, 3-inch blade, tanto blade style. It's half serrated. It's a little dull because it's been used. Plastic rose scales, as I said. It's a liner lock, as you can see. Kind of nice and flippy. I'm liking this. There you go, look at that. Very small pocket clip compared to any normal ones. Because look how large my EDC one is. It's enormous compared to that one. But I like this knife. I got it for completely free. But it's a new Kershaw to add to the... Ooh, drop that. A new Kershaw to add to the collection. $50, but I got it for free. Has like a kind of rounded back spine on this knife, and then tanto blade style, obviously half serrated, as you can see. It says Kershaw. Speed's safe on the blade. And overall, nice knife. I like it. It's got, I don't know, it's a nice back spine on the handle. Nice and flippy. I like it. Oh yeah, paper. Let me get paper. In the comments, tell me how you feel about this knife. Think it's terrible? Hate it? Love it? Or do you like any of the other Kershaw models? Is this not particularly your favorite? Anyway, cut test. Said it was a little dull. That's not very good. Yeah, not very good. Do a stab and then one tip is a little broken, but you know. Yeah, it did a little bit better, but you can feel it when you pull through and you look at it too. Not terrible. So, pretty nice knife. Tell me what y'all think about it. The Kershaw Kuro Tanto, $50. Tell me what y'all think. And I hope all of you liked my other videos I posted this week, last week I suppose. But yeah, I've been trying to post a lot more for y'all, so you have more things to see. But in the next videos, I have some special things coming up, because I have some Victorinox knives that are sitting over there. These will get their own video. This knife will get its own video. All of these, we'll pull a couple of these little ones out, and they'll all get their, well, they will all get their own video, but I'll pick some cool special ones and pull them out. And also for one of my newer videos that I know is going to be quite fun to do, a Benchmade knife. And no, it's not real, or at least I think. Got it from AliExpress for $1, so we're gonna see how good it is, and y'all tell me if it compares to the actual one, because I'm too broke to have an actual Benchmade. That's why. AliExpress for $1. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and goodbye.